free folder that you can request for your next delivery. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment, but basically it's just a nice folder in the correct size for all the recipe cards. Okay. And then you just slot in. And it's a nice way to organise all the recipes, because again, you can make it again yourself at home. And obviously I've been ordering so many Gousto boxes, so I've got so many cards. Let me go find them. But these are all my recipe cards I just had lying around. So the fact that I can have everything in one folder now will just make things so much better. So I will do that. So if you would like a folder, all you have to do is go online.
Now once you've chosen your recipes and you've placed an order, click on upcoming deliveries and then select the box that's coming up next. Then you need to click on where it says go to Gousto Market. And these are extras that you can add to your box. So if you scroll right down, keep scrolling. Oh, there we are. It says recipe card folder and it says £0. All you do is click add and then it will be added to your box. Then when your box comes, it will be sat inside waiting for you.